Come way up high.
No, like you.
Set you down. Okay, throw it hard on the ground.
Good.
Yeah.
Good job. That was a hard throw.
Good job.
Ricochet hit me.
Throw it hard again. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Kayla wants you to pick her up and let her try.
Okay, pick yours up, Kayla.
Fourth of July. So it's fireworks day.
Okay, there you go. Where's yours? Okay, Kayla, you ready? I'll pick you up.
There you got it, babe.
Okay, drop yours. Where is it?
Go ahead, K-Bear.
Yay!
Yay! Good job.
Hey.
My
I don't even think she hit the sidewalk.
No, she hit a rock over here.
Okay.
Okay, watch me.
Yeah, good job. No. Do it again, K-Bear, quick.
Throw it down. Pick it up. Throw it down.
No.
Yeah, throw it down.